My name's Dirk Wilson, and I'm hiding inside of a refrigerator so that when my buddy Ridgway opens it, I can scare the living crap out of him. My friend Dustin just called a little while ago and said they're on their way here, so I'm just gonna get ready. It'll probably be a couple minutes before they actually open the door, so... Plus, they're not even here yet. But, Dustin knows, and my friend Corey and Mary, they're both here, they know, so... It's just Ridgway, and I'm gonna get them good. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait now. Gotta be kind of quiet once they get here so they can't hear me. So this is the refrigerator. It's actually not like plugged in or anything because we're using it like, kind of like a pantry, because that one works and this one doesn't. You can see you wouldn't really expect anybody to be hiding in there, right? And we cleared out all the shelves and everything so it can fit. So I'm just going to get back in here, close the door, and wait. Not sure what I'm going to yell yet. Probably something like blah, 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 blah. Or roar. We'll have to see. I heard a car door sit outside. He's on his way now. That's the part where I have to be extra quiet. How'd they hurry? It's kind of hard to breathe in here. Shh. Hello? Oh, what are you saying? That's the big thing. Oh, we even have one with cameras. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Oh, that's from Bill. That's from Harry.